Button ones, be careful, they have ballista.
Okay, I'm gonna fake very soon. I'm faking. This is fake, this is fake, this is fake. Don't engage, don't engage. Okay, get ready. I'm gonna look. I'm very soon. I'm gonna look. Okay, I'm gonna do fast engage. I'm looking east. I'm looking east. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. East. On top me. On top me. More damage. More damage. More damage. There's one demon, bro. Kill this. The hell. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Kill demon. Kill demon. Yo, watch out. There's a bomb. There's a bomb. Yo, watch out. They have a bomb. Okay. Bomb can change position. OC right now. OC right now. OC right now. You tell me your cooldowns. Tell me your cooldowns. Ready? Get ready. Looking east. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. Right on top of me. Right on top of me. So they have a guard room. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Reset. Reset. Keep spamming. We gonna keep spamming. Yeah, I need the health for the gate. Okay, I need the health for the gate.
40%.
40. Okay, we're gonna engage one more. Then we're gonna go. Okay, tell me your cooldown. I'm gonna fake. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake. Okay, get ready. I'm gonna engage. Big engage. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top of me. Right on top of me. Right on top of me. On the gate. On the night armor. Okay, come back. Come back to the second gate. Come back to northwest. Come back northwest. Come back northwest. Zone northwest. Bomb zone northwest. 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 Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Venom died, bro. How did you die, bro? Come up. Did you go out?
नहीं दरवाजे पे
They engaged.
engage
Come back. Come back. Gear up and come again. Stay here. Come on. Come on. Come up, bro. I already gave you a call. One engage and we're gonna go back. Come up. Come up. Come up. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Just stay here. Your Ember, watch out.
नरेश को पार्टी
Good job. Just X up, bro. Right? You don't give these calls right now. Just write in guild chat. That's it. You get ready. Shallow after the guard rune on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top of me. Right on top of me. Good. Yeah. Good guard runes. Okay. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. You watch out. Tell me your cooldowns. Tell me your cooldowns. Tell me your cooldowns. Tell me your cooldowns. Cold monk. Don't fake right now. I'm gonna fake. I'm gonna fake. Okay. I'm gonna fake. This is 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 fake. Okay. Get ready. Looking east. Big engage east. In 5. In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me, on top of me, on top of me. More damage, more damage. Kill this, swipe this. More damage. Okay. Come back, come back, come back. Some of you are shitting right now. Okay, watch out defense. Heal bank, Karen. Heal bank, heal bank, heal bank, heal bank. Tell me your cooldowns. One more engage and we go up. I need the health of the gate. How much on the gate?
4 seconds.
Yo, I need gate health.
53. Round ready.
Okay, fine, fine. This is fake. Everybody inch up, inch up, inch up. Okay, use your shoes and inch up. Use your shoes. We're gonna fake with shoes. In 3, in 2, in 1. Just fake, fake, fake. This is fake, this is fake, this is fake, this is fake. Okay, this is fake. Now get ready. I'm gonna look south. I'm gonna look south on top of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me, on top of me, on top of me, on top of me. The guardians are too good. Come back, come back, come back. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Gate health, please.
6%.
Okay, fine. Come back, come back, come back, come back southwest. Come back southwest. Use your shoes. Come back southwest. Come up the gate. Come up the gate. Come up the gate. Everybody, come up the gate. They're gonna engage. They're gonna engage. Come up, come up, come up, come up. Yeah, good job. Come up, come up, come up. Just come up. Yeah, he's DC'd. Okay, come up, come up, come up, come up, come up, come up. Just stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up. Just stay up, just stay up, stay up. It's fine. Bomb engage, bro. Ugas, you need to speak when you're engaging, bro. So I know when to push, when not to. You just spread away. Just stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away. Okay, I'm gonna fake. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake. This is just fake. This is just fake. You get ready. You're gonna look east. Wait, oh, just hold, just hold, just hold. Let them inch up. Let them inch up. Let them inch up. Let them inch up. Just let them inch up. Just stay away. Stay away. It's all good. Just stay. Hold, 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 hold. Hold. Just hold. Look, they are playing smart, bro. They're not even touching the walls, right? This is how you know how they're playing. Defensive. Okay, good job, bro. Why are you extending over there, man? Why? You guys have to stay back, bro. Don't cross the gate. Even D-tanks don't have to cross the gate. Mega, come back. Farisha, stay back, please. Just stay here. Just stay here. Just stay. Get ready. Shallow east. Very soon. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. On top of me. This one guy. Very good. It's fine. It's fine. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. They're gonna engage on the gate. Watch out. Come back. Come back. Come back. Tell me your cooldowns fast. Tell me your cooldowns. Tell me your cooldowns. Okay, ready? Get ready. Okay.
6 seconds.
Fine.
6 seconds, bro.
Okay, get ready. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna get a big clump. Okay, get ready. I'm looking northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. On top of me. On top of me. On top of me. Big clump. Big clump. Big clump, bro. More damage. What the hell? Okay, watch out. Defensive. Defensive. Heals. And defensive. Okay, good job. Good job. Nice. Just stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here. Okay. Just hold. I'm gonna look northeast again. You guys are good? Get ready on top of me. East. Yeah.
Ready.
Get ready. Shallow east. You see 2 people east, right? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Just on top of me. On 2 people. More damage, bro. At least kill 1, bro. What the hell? Just spread away. Spread. And gate health, please. Yo, come back up. Let them come up, okay? Gonna do big engage on the choke. Come back. Yo, guys, are you looking at the guard runes? Whoever is playing Bedrock and the Oathkeeper, right? Just look at the guard runes, how big of an impact it is. Sorry? Yo, get ready. I'm gonna fast engage southeast, okay? Fast engage southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me, on the wall. Just come back. Okay, man. That's just one guard rune and stop the whole engage. Just stay here. Tell me your cooldowns, bro. I need cooldowns fast. Okay, watch out. Defensive. Heal all might.
Wow.
Because they're gonna engage from there, man.
Bro, cooldown ready.
Just stay here.
Ready.
Okay, fine. Just hold. I'll have to fake, man. This is
Do
fake.
original,
This is
bro.
fake.
Do real.
Just stay. I can't, bro. I can't.
You can do over the wall southeast.
No. See, they are not inching up, bro. And if I do, they're gonna counter you. Just hold over. Hold. They are waiting for you guys to engage, and they're gonna walk up. Okay. Just hold over. Hold. Take your time. It's fine. Need one mistake from them, and we're gonna catch them on the choke. Okay. Again, I'm gonna fake.
Wait for their engage and then bounce squad.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, if they engage, I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna get a big clump. Okay. Gonna look. Maybe they're gonna look on undercover. Just your Qs and Ws on this battle mount if you can. Just Qs and Ws on the battle mount. Qs and Ws. Don't chase him. Don't chase him, bro. Come back. Don't chase him. Only while he's there. Don't give them an angle for engage. Okay, they're gonna look again. Okay, north. They're gonna look north. You get ready. Headbutt in 3, 2, 1. On top me. Kill this one. Fine. Come back. Reset. Tell me your cooldowns, bro. Tell me your cooldowns.
4 seconds.
5, right? Okay, just hold. Again, same thing I'm gonna do, okay? Once they engage, I'm gonna headbutt, okay? Watch out, but don't inch up too close, okay? Don't give them an engage. Don't give an engage. You get ready, looking east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Come back. It's fine. Failing engage. Come back. See, they are doing the same thing, bro. They're trying to counter. Just hold over here. Tell me your cooldowns. Heal cold. Cold, you have cleric count? No, right? Okay. If you don't have your Giga, don't go in. Okay? If you don't have your Giga, don't go in. So, listen, Cold, how we gonna do this is, right? I need you to go southeast and pull them northwest, okay? And I'm gonna engage. Okay? I'm gonna call for a 5, okay? You can stay south. You don't have to stay inside them always, okay? You can stay south. Just stay here. I'm gonna fake right now, okay? I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Just hold. This is fake. Yeah, get ready. Yo, get ready south. Get ready southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top. Big club. Kill this. Wipe this, bro. Wipe this. Come back, my carving guys. Come back. Go back up. Hold them on the choke. You guys, if you died, just hold over here. Bro, what is happening? Why didn't damage land over there? You guys got G8 or what?
No, G was Bedrock.
Bro, that was a huge clump, man. Seriously, that would have been a party, right? Just hold. Defensive. Heals.
Wow, fuck me.
Bro, defensives, hello. We have 2 demons. Heals. I died through Giga, man.
They're coming in. Do we stop them or something? Tell them GG or something?
Yeah.